Extra large, brown and orange. I really like that one. Do you think it will fit me? Should we have a look? Yeah, that one fits me. That may have been one of the hottest summers on record in the UK, but as a clothing reseller, coming into mid-August, now's the time that you need to start thinking about autumn and winter stock. So I've got a car full of stuff, which I'm going to get out now, and I'm going to tell you who my supplier is and what kind of things that I'm starting to buy now we've hit mid-August in preparation for autumn and winter season. And here we go. I have got 3 boxes and I can't wait to open them to show you exactly what's in them. That's box number 1. Box number 2. And yes, there is a box number 3. The biggest one, to be fair. So let's get you inside and let's talk about what we've got in these 3 boxes. Okay, boxes here ready to be ripped open so I can show you exactly what's inside. But before we do that, let me tell you where I've got all these from. So all of these were sourced from one of the biggest, if not the biggest, clothing marketplace on the internet called Fleek. Now, if you've never heard of Fleek before or you don't know what I'm talking about, let me give you a little bit of a lowdown before we start tearing into boxes and showing you all the goodies that are inside. And I'll throw up a little video here so you can see. So Fleek is a marketplace where you can purchase pretty much any type of clothing that you want, whether that's branded, whether that's vintage, pretty much anything. Now you can search by category, you can search by product type, or you can go into the suppliers tab and search through all of the suppliers registered on the app and see what they've got. And when you find a supplier that you like or you find a product that you like, you can either choose to buy representative bundles or you can buy exact bundles. Now I've bought both and I've always been super happy with the delivery time and the product quality that I've got. Now don't forget you can use my code which is up on screen where you get £26 off your first order when you spend £125 or more. And as we are mid-August and somebody who enjoys reselling clothes, I do have to have my mind maybe a month or 2 in advance so I can source and get stuff here in time to get it onto my marketplace sites and ready to be sold. And my mind is firmly set on autumn and winter. And that's what all of these 3 batches are about. These are all autumn and winter orientated clothing ready for me to unpack, photograph, get on marketplace and start making some money reselling. Before I rip open some boxes, I'm sure you're all sitting there going, okay, well, what's he bought? Well, let me show you. And I'm going to show you on my Fleek app. Let me get it open. I will throw it just up on screen, but so I don't make any mistakes, it's right here as well. So I have bought some men's branded knitwear. I've also bought some outdoor fleeces, and I've also bought some branded jeans and chinos. Sounds pretty good, doesn't it? Now, I know what you're thinking. Right, okay, enough waffle. Let's kind of see what you've got. I'm excited, let's go! Okay, first up, guys, is the biggest box. It's probably the lightest as well. So I think this is going to be the men's fleeces. So there are 10 fleeces in here with a cost price of £115 if we've got some focus and 50 pence. Are you ready? I'm just going to let the camera roll, guys, and I've got my trusty knife. Now, if you're going to do this for yourself and you're young, please be careful with knives. Safety, of course, is paramount. Now, these took just a couple of weeks to get to me, and there should be multiple different brands. I'm expecting North Face, I'm hoping for some Patagonia, but we'll see. And they are different sizes. Now, what I went for is grade A and B stock, and I bought exact. Now, basically, exact means that they show you something on the batch list, and you're buying the ones that you're actually seeing in the video. And then you can go down, you can read the description, and they'll tell you whether they're A, B, C, whatever. I've gone with A and B stock. First one we're going to do is this feels like a women's, and it's a Berghaus fleece in purple. What I don't expect to see any kind of marks on these because they are grade A. But a nice Berghaus fleece in a size 10. That's definitely women's. But that is lot number 1. Lot number 1? We're not on an auction. Product number 1. Next one up is an aqua blue. This is a North Face fleece. Size extra large. Whoo! Look at that. Now that is something special. North Face, nice embroidery to the front. And then we've got a nice embroidered logo to the back. And it's kind of like a shell suity with a fleece on. But that actually is really, really nice. Next we have Columbia. This looks like another female top. This one is small, but definitely a female fit. Grey, high neck Berghaus. Next we're coming on to a brown top. Oh, the one after that looks pretty damn cool. Nike. I really, really, really like this one. Extra large, brown and orange. I really like that one. Do you think it will fit me? Should we have a look? Yeah, that one fits me. It's probably a little bit long, but it's nice. I think I probably would have looked better maybe in a large in that one. So we'll keep that one for selling. Should we move on to the next one? Okay. I'm really liking this one. Multicolour. This is another Berghaus. I think this is probably a women's. Yeah, it's 16. But that is quite a super cool design. Next, we've got another Berghaus. Definitely men's. Size-wise is a extra large. Quite a thin, but a nice Berghaus. These are perfect for autumn stroke winter. Now, these are quite lightweight fleeces. The Nike one was quite heavyweight. Then we've got a North Face. I think this is women's purple North Face with material collars. And again, nice logo, embroidery to the front and embroidery to the back in purple. Sticking with the purple theme, we're doing another Berghaus. I do also think that's a women's. It says women's 14. So there we go, a nice purple Berghaus. Then we're going to go on to a red number. This one is a Rohan extra large outdoor. Not so much a fleecy sort of top, but definitely an outdoor high neck zip. Two more. Oh, actually, no, last one I should say. And this one is another Berghaus, size XL men's in green and black. That one's quite nice as well. No larges in there. A little bit disappointed there's no large. And the only reason I'm disappointed is because I probably would have kept it for myself. But I do that a little bit too much. Next box we're going to open is the knitwear. And I will also tell you in a minute what supplier I got these from, because Fleek have recently introduced a UK supplier called, well, I'll tell you now actually, called Cottonopolis. And this is not the first batch that I've bought from them. And every single time I have been really, really impressed. But before I do that, let me just show you exactly how much these cost, because it's good to get an idea of cost versus what we think we're going to sell for them. Okay, so the men's knitwear, 10 pieces, and the cost on these were £88.50 for 10 pieces. So let's have a look, shall we? Men's knitwear. Gonna start off with a golfing top from Ralph Lauren. This is a size XL. It's kind of like a golf embroidery top by Ralph Lauren. I've never actually seen one of these before. Interesting. I'm gonna have to do a little bit of research on that, but I've never actually seen one of those before. Next one, we've got a Gant V-neck. Again, quite nice. Just a nice kind of, that would be good as like a dress shirt, jumper. So basically if you're going into the office and you want to put something over your shirt and tie, that would be pretty cool. Navy Gant. Next one up, we have got, this one is a Barber top. Double XL on the size, Barber tag, grey, high zip neck. Looks good on the back. Feels like real wool, but I will have to double check that. But that one's quite nice. Next one we've got is a grey high neck, and this is a Reese in medium. I think this looks like a bit of a slim fit Reese, but still nice nonetheless. Another high neck, zip. We've got a little bit of a, I like these style. These kind of reminds me of just kind of vintage tops. It is by a brand called Jules. You could get away with thinking this might be a little bit of a Christmas top. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Next one, grey patterned. This one is by All Saints on an extra small. Again, nice. Just get a bit closer so you can kind of see the design on it. It is kind of like a textured kind of design on it. On a Jules tag, sorry, All Saints tag on extra small. Next, we are on with a grey collared, almost like, it's a polo, but it's like a knit polo. And this is a medium Levi's. So again, you could definitely wear that with a pair of trousers. It is quite nice. I'm not sure I would say that that is particularly winter or autumn because it's short sleeve, but nonetheless, still quite nice. Another V-neck. This is a grey Gant top. Then we've got a Lyle and Scott red. Again, another V-neck jumper. Lyle and Scott. This one is on a medium. Quite nice though. Nice V-neck, medium, Lyle and Scott logo onto the left chest. Finally, last one is a Calvin Klein V-neck on a medium, mainly plain grey, but then we've got this little tartan kind of pattern to the top left shoulder, but that is Calvin Klein V-neck jumper. Now the last box we're going to open is 20 pieces of branded jeans and chinos, and as you can see, these ones cost me £130.80. So, been impressed so far. Let's get this one open. And again, all of these have come from exactly the same supplier in Cottonopolis in the UK. Okay, let's go. We're just going to pull them out and see what we've got. First pair are a pair of Ralph Lauren. Ralph Lauren, kind of stonewash. Now, again, all of these are grade A's. I think these may be female because I've got size 8 on them. But Ralph Lauren. Look in pretty decent condition as well. I'm only going to just be able to hold them up and I'll run them down. There we go. Ralph Lauren, pair number 1. Next pair is a pair of what I can only describe as trousers, but I think women's again, size 6. These are, again, Ralph Lauren, kind of black dress trousers with zips to the bottom. Back on with some jeans. Diesel jeans next, guys. Diesel. Everyone knows the Diesel brand. In black, size-wise. Are we going to see? I'm not going to bother. If I can't immediately see the sizes, I'm just going to scroll on by and let you know. 38s. Black Diesel. Authentic Ralph Lauren polo. Again, these, I do believe these might be women. But there we go. These look pretty nice as well. Ralph Lauren. Next up, we have got a pair of Diesel. Waist 32, leg 30. These look like men's Diesel, darker blue wash, and a logo. We have got some Emporio Armani. Whew. These are definitely women again. Armani label on the back, Armani logo there, and on the inner pocket as well, and a little flash just down the side. But I do believe they are women's. Diesel, lighter grey. These are waist 34, leg 30. My size. Oh, have I just found some jeans I'm going to keep? Probably. But Diesel. Stonewash grey. They look like a straight cut. But yeah. Next, Hugo Boss. Again, these look like men's. 38, 32. But Boss. Miss 60. So these are definitely going to be women's. Miss 60. Got a nice little kind of bit across there. Miss 60 branding on the back. Deep black. Straight cut. Miss 60. These are pretty cool. These are like Chino-y kind of... What brand are these? Ted Baker. Like blue kind of chinos. Fat Face. So these ones have still got... These are new with tags, guys. Still got the tag on from new. Fat Face. Quite nice. Almost like a canvas type style jean. Calvin Klein. Stonewash. women's 28. Calvin. Everything to the front, again, looks pretty good. And again, all I can really do is just give you a bit of a lowdown on them. Calvin Stonewash. More women's, I do believe these are like leggings, but these are DKNY, size small, but these are more like leggings, I think. Coming to the end, we have got some very skinny Tommy Hilfiger, and again, waist 38, leg 34, but they have to be women's. They have to be women's. They look so small. Last couple of pairs, guys. Got 2 or 3 left. Trousers. These are Ralph Lauren trousers, size 4. These ones are Cherrick. Okay. Waist 30, leg 34. Cherrick. Again, very, very skin tight black buy. For All Mankind 7. They're definitely women. And the last pair, Tommy Hilfiger. Can't see the size on them, but we'll have a look. Tommy. Waist 32, leg 30, men's. Tommy Hilfiger, kind of blue wash jeans. And guys, there we go. That is all of the batches that I got, and I paid £334-ish or £336 for them all. What do you think? Anything that you see there that you like, please comment down in chat. Now, if you want to get some clothing for the autumn and winter season, now is the time, guys. Now is the time to start snapping up your clothing bundles ready for autumn and for winter. You can do so super, super easy by going onto the Fleek app. Now, don't forget, you can use my code, which is up on screen, where you get £26 off your first order when you spend £125 or more. Use it, don't use it, completely up to you. It's there. And then go and get your stuff. Now, the best thing that you can do is, once you've found things that you like, I would always recommend, if it's going to be your first purchase, to buy something exact, which basically means go and look at the batch, scroll across the images to the video, make sure it's an exact bundle, and everything that you see in the video, that's what you will get. Once you get used to how the Fleek app works, you get comfortable with some supplies, that you can then start buying representative stuff, which basically means they'll show you stuff in the video, and they'll say, it's not this exact item, but it's very much like this. And then you can have trust in who you're buying from. That's what I basically do. I buy exact and representative, and I'm super happy. The quality of these looks absolutely fantastic, and I cannot wait to get all these photographed up on Marketplace and up for sale. Okay, so hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, please make sure you smash that subscribe video. I'll be doing lots more unboxings in the future. Also, give this video a bit of a thumbs up, because it's the only way YouTube know that you are liking my content, and then they will put it in front of other people searching for similar type of videos. But until then, guys, thank you very much for watching. Keep sourcing, keep making money, and I'll see you on the next video.